Is your Samsung phone's ear speaker not working during calls? This problem can happen because of software bugs, dust in the speaker, or hardware issues. It's important to fix this so you can hear clearly during calls without any trouble. Don't worry, here are the full solutions to get your ear speaker working again. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, first open the dialer. Type *#0*#. Then tap speaker 3 times and check your volume whether it is working or not. After that, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn off the media volume limit. Open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Tap sounds and vibration. Again, scroll down. Next, tap on the volume. Now tap on the 3 dots icon from the top right corner. Then tap media volume limit. Now simply toggle it off. Solution 2. Turn off mono audio sound and balance the phone speaker volume. Go back to the settings page. Now scroll down. Find out accessibility. Tap on it, then tap on hearing enhancements. Scroll down again. Toggle off the mono sound. Here you can see the balanced phone speaker option. Now make sure to set the pointer in the middle of the right and left under the phone speakers. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.